What's up, everyone? Want to do a quick video on Presearch nodes. I've got a few Presearch nodes. They're currently being hosted on VPSs. These are my nodes so far. I've got enough Presearch in my account to stake a new node, and I'm going to host this node on my Hive mining rig. It runs all the time anyways, so I thought it'd be a good fit to add it onto the mining rig and earn some Presearch kind of passively and not have to pay for VPS. So we're going to go through that process. It's only two commands. It should be a quick video and hopefully it helps everybody out. So for the rest of this video, I've gone ahead and made a new node dashboard under Tech Money, and we're going to use the registration code from it, and we're going to connect our node to it. I don't have tokens staked over here, but this process will be the same. I just won't be able to stake any nodes or any tokens on this node. So we're going to go over to our 6600 rig. That's the unit we've decided to use to do this. So Hive 6600, you're going to want to go to remote access, Hive shell start, which we've already done. So we're going to click on Hive shell start, click the link. And now that we're logged into the miner, we're going to put in a couple of commands. So the first command we're going to put in is to install Docker on the mining rig. So we're going to copy this and we're going to paste it. Okay, enter. So this is going to install Docker on the mining rig. It shouldn't take too long to install. It's already installed. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to run this command, and this is going to start the node, set the updater, and we should be able to see it on the dashboard. So you could pause this video if you want to read these commands. I will put them in the description also. The only thing you're going to need to change is your registration code. So this registration code that I've put in matches the registration code that the Presearch dashboard gave me. So we're going to go back to shell and we're going to copy and paste this last command in. Copy, and we're going to paste from browser, paste, okay, enter. So it's going to install the node, and the node's running. So now we should go back to the dashboard, and we should be able to see the node show up in the dashboard. So let's refresh this. And there's the node. So the only thing left to do is we're going to name it. Let's call it 6600 XT. And then if I had 4000 Presearch, I'd put in 4000 here. And I'd hit update, and I would be staking and earning passive Presearch. So I can't update because I don't have any Presearch on this account. But that's really all there is to it. Appreciate you watching. If it helped, please give a thumbs up, consider subscribing, hit the bell for notifications and future videos. Thanks, everybody.